too long, and then the battery died. And I remembered that I kept a jump starter right in here. Let's check it out. Got some tools. You never know what happens, especially that I fixed the engine, you know, just to be extra safe. Some hoses, some other stuff, an umbrella, and I got the jump starter. Right now, I haven't touched this since last year. Look at this baby. This is like one of the ones. This is I keep. This is in the boat. This is not something I just promote. This is something I keep. Let's see how much charge. So keep in mind that this has not been charged since last year. I charged it and I put it in the boat because I never needed it before. And let's see how much charge we got. 75%. There, it's blinking only while recording, but it's not really blinking. Ah, there it is. Now it's not blinking. But there you go. 75% in this jump starter after a year. So it held the charge for a year. Let's see, can we actually jump start this or not? Alright, this is a little tedious because I gotta move stuff out of the way, especially that I need to record it. Well, maybe we can have enough access here. Alright. I wish they made this a little bit bigger so these fit easily, but still, if it's bigger, then it's bulkier. We don't want that either. Alright. Alright, this is a little hard because I'm doing it single-handedly. And boom. Alright, that's all it takes. There's nothing to press. There's no buttons to press. There's nothing like that. The wires might be a little messy, again, because I did some repairs on here. There's some bad wires and some wires I didn't know where they went. So I kind of just left them there. And there we go. And it's green. Let's start it. Alright. Neutral. Woo! Look at that. Nexpow, baby. Check them out. I'm going to tag it. They make different sizes. Let me check this off. They make different sizes. Depends on what you need it for. And just see what you need it. And here, it tells you what you can start with it. Boats, jet skis, motorcycles, cars, trucks, all this kind of stuff. Looking for a jump starter this is heavy duty shit. This is not my first time using this, and I have multiple of these. I gave so many away, and I had a couple of giveaway events, and I gave away a lot of these. And yeah, this is it. Comes with a pouch, and it holds charge. It held charge for a year. I don't know what else people would want from a jump starter.